Hi guys, today we will be working on our John Deere 7810. This is a 2004 model. The last year they made them. And our hydraulic remotes here have some O-rings, must be bad inside, because this summer when you raised the mower it would slowly leak back down and the oil was bypassing back into the transmission case there. But it's probably my favorite tractor on the farm. Crawl up inside and take a look at it in here. This tractor's got the IVT transmission. It'll go 33 mile an hour. We use it on our triple mower, John Deere triple mower, and our 12-row John Deere 1770 NT corn planter. So we'll get things torn apart and figure things out. Okay, so we'll have to remove everything up here and pull these outlets off the tractor. Okay, we got the outlets removed off the tractor and here on the bench, and we'll get them cleaned up and torn apart. Okay, so we got everything torn apart here. This one is done, completely rebuilt. This one's almost finished, and this one we have needs redone yet. So there's actually 3 seal kits that I used to rebuild this one kit. Redoes these little, I don't know what you call them, this little rubber pieces there, and then there's a seal in the end of this here, and then one seal kit rebuilds this here. There's 3 O-rings there, 1 inside this barrel and 2 here and 1 on the end. And then there's another seal kit that goes inside here, deep down in there. They're real fun to do. But so I'm going to get this one wrapped up and then get them back on the tractor. Okay, we got everything rebuilt and ready to put it back on the tractor. everything is back on and test out that everything is working and no more leaks. So we'll try to get some video this summer, probably of mowing and planting corn probably. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.